The city's water towers are being revitalized and new artwork will be displayed to reflect the city's heritage. Three water towers throughout the city are undergoing routine maintenance. Welds, deteriorated fixtures, brackets, and steps will be replaced prior to the removal of rust and the application of new paint. The cost for the renovations is offset by revenue generated by cell phone tower real estate lease agreements. Each tower has telecommunications equipment that transmits voice and data streams. The water tower located near the Eagle Ridge Mall has already been completed and features artwork as a tribute to the Lake Wales Highlanders winning the state football championship in 2022. The city's utility operations manager, Holly Britt, saw the routine maintenance as an opportunity to add artwork to reflect the city's heritage.
It displays the character of our city. I mean, you have everything from what our city represents as far as your schooling. You have the city in a garden, what we're creating.
The water tower, located in the historic downtown district, will display artwork that pays homage to the original 1930s landscape plans established for Lake Wales, a city in a garden, a vision once cast by world-renowned landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted Jr. The water tower, located near Burns Avenue, will proudly don artwork to reflect the Lake Wales High School Highlanders. The water tower near Hunt Brothers Road will get artwork that reflects the rich athletic heritage in our city. The city complies with state regulations as it pertains to interior and exterior water tower maintenance. The exterior renovations of the water towers takes place every 10 to 12 years. All around Lake Wales, our water towers are our unsung heroes. Stay connected with us on social media, subscribe on Nextdoor, and tune into us on YouTube.